Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download or install iOS 16.6 public beta 2. If the update is not showing on your settings, so how to download? First of all, open your Safari app. From here, search for this beta profile developer, tap on this. From here you scroll down, From here you can see iOS 16.6 beta 2. What you need to do is tap on install profile, then tap on install and tap on allow, then tap on close, and after that go back your home screen and open your setting. Then from here you can see profile download, tap on this. What you need to do is tap on install, enter your passcode, tap on install, then tap on again install, then tap on not now, then tap on done. After that iOS 16.6 beta 2 will be installed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.